Trap, money, penny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it.
Hey guys, Brent here with 512 Media. I just got on Amazon and I bought this brand new wireless Bluetooth hands-free car kit with an FM transmitter and a QC3.0 lightning fast charging system. This is a neat little deal if you have a car that doesn't already have Bluetooth enabled, and you can drive down the road talking on your phone a little bit safer and in most states legally. So let's go ahead and take a look at this thing and see what it's all about.
What's your net worth? Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. KB, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. But the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and
if I can make a living, I'm walking in the woods. You can bet I'd be sitting pretty good, high on a hill, looking at a field and wind. Now it seems to me that you know just what to say, but words are only words. Can you show me something else? Can you swear to me?
Head southwest toward Automall Drive, then turn left onto Automall Drive.
So I have to say, after using this little Bluetooth FM transmitter, I have to say I'm pretty impressed. The charging capacity of it is very quick, the audio quality of it is very good, and it's extremely easy to use.
Just sailing on the higher ground.